Hello everyone, welcome to Music 101. It's Ukulele Day today. But before we continue, I want to thank everyone who subscribed in this channel. We're growing the channel. Thank you very much. So, we're going to explore the C major chord, but there are three positions that I like to share for the C major chord. For the very basic C major chord is this one here, right? This is the most popular C open chord, okay? Third finger on the first string, third fret. That's very straightforward, and you probably know that already, okay? So the second position for C is it's like an optional chord. You can use this or use this. Same thing. Your third finger is optional, okay? I'll explain later why it's optional. But for now, the second position for C is this. Your first finger will fret two strings, the first and second string inside the third fret. That itself is already a chord, but let's utilize your second finger and fret the fourth fret of your third string, adding that to the first two strings. Now, this third finger is optional. You can use that to fret the fifth string of your fourth string, or not. But sometimes, if you use that, this is already a kind of a bar chord, a movable chord. You can play C sharp or C flat. It really depends on the situation, okay? But for now, if you're just playing C, second position C, you can use this. But I suggest really try practicing with this third finger already. That way, you have more options. You can play C sharp, you can play D sharp, all those chords, different chords with the same shape, but that's for a different topic, okay? But for now, practice this. So far we have the C major, first position, basic open chord. We have the second position like this, optional for the third finger. And the third position is like a G chord here on the 7th fret. Like this, okay? So imagine a G chord, but you put your second and first finger up here on the on the 7th fret, sorry about that. And same shape, and that's still a C. That's a third position. So let's recap. First position C, open chord. Second position with an optional third finger. Okay. And the third position is like a G up here on the 7th fret. I have a bonus shape for C. Okay. If your ukulele is more than 12th fret, you can play a high C chord here. Your second and third finger is inside the 12th fret. In the inner strings, the third and the second string. And then your first finger will fret the 10th fret of the first string. You can still use that G string for this chord, okay? That's the bonus C. That's the fourth position C, okay? So recap, C, open position, optional C for a bar chord. Optional meaning you can remove your third finger. If you want to use a bar chord for this, you put your third finger, you can play different keys. And we'll discuss that later on a different video, okay? So this is the second position C. The third position C is like a G chord up here on the 7th fret. And then our bonus C is up on the 12th fret. It really depends on your ukulele if you have a 12th fret. If you have more than 12 frets, you have more space here because some ukulele is up to the 12th fret only and you lack space. So if your ukulele has more than 12th fret, you can play this C here on the 12th fret, meaning your second and third fingers inside the 12th fret. Inner strings, third and second, your first finger will fret the first string, 10th fret, okay? There again. So if you want to check out the chord chart for these different Cs, I'm going to put a link on the description, so check that out. Once again, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.